How to send Tikkie ABN AMRO. Today, I'll show you how to send a Tikkie payment using ABN AMRO, fast, secure, and hassle-free. Open the ABN AMRO banking app on your smartphone and log in using your DigiPass or fingerprint. From the home screen, tap on Tikkie. You'll see options to create a new payment request or check past requests. Enter the amount you want to request, add a description for the payment, and optionally upload a photo or note. This helps your recipient know what the payment is for. Tap Send and choose whether to send the Tikkie via WhatsApp, email, SMS, or copy the payment link directly. Your recipient just clicks the link to pay instantly. And that's it. You've successfully sent a Tikkie with ABN AMRO. Like and subscribe for more tips on modern banking and mobile payments. Thanks for watching.